I'm gonna miss this view. It's so pretty.
Hey everyone, I am so excited to share my big news that I am leaving my office job. I have been hired for a new position that is entirely remote, so I get to work from home. I have been an intake nurse for almost 6 years and have been working in the office full time, other than the brief period during COVID where I was able to work for remote for a few months. I am so excited to see my kids' faces all day. My last day is the same day as the kids' last day of school, so we get to spend summer together. I'm so excited to begin this new chapter in our lives. My husband works remote also, so now we both have the flexibility to travel and work where we want. We can stay with our families longer than just for a weekend. I'm looking forward to not having to drive to and from the office, not having to deal with office politics in person. I'm looking forward to being able to do housekeeping during my breaks and being able to cook dinner more often. Being able to work remotely just gives me the chance to focus on what my family needs, and I just feel so blessed to have this opportunity. I honestly feel like I hit the jackpot because it's a position that really caught my eye and something that actually interests me rather than just applying for a job because it's remote. I will miss my coworkers, but I will not be missing my small cubicles. The cafeteria and Starbucks in the building was definitely convenient, but I will still choose my kitchen and access to my fridge any day. I'm just so glad my start day is the same time my kids start their summer vacation, and overall, this just feels like such a blessing. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
This is a pretty cool break room. Our floor was the only one with the balcony. The view of Red Rock. So we're currently at Western Bagel because this lucky boy gets to go to Adventure Dome for his end of the year field trip. He doesn't have to be there until 10 o'clock. Right now it's 8. We just dropped off Penny at school. So we have some time to just chill before it's time for him to get dropped off. So we are currently here at Bagel Mania getting some breakfast. And everything seems to be ready, so I don't know what we're gonna do for the next 2 hours. So not only is it Jackson's field trip today, but it's actually my last day at the office. It's pretty bittersweet and I'm excited to start my new remote job, but I am gonna miss my coworkers. They are gonna buy me lunch, but I wanted something really simple, so I just asked for firehouse subs. But tomorrow we are going to the camp for camping at Lake Perris. So today's gonna be really busy, just packing, getting things ready for tomorrow. The kids do want to go to school tomorrow on their last day. Mercedes still has finals, so we're gonna probably head out around 12 o'clock. Hey guys, we are getting ready to head out to the campsite at Perris in California. We have packed the trunk is packed, the roof is packed. We're just waiting for Mercedes to get home from school from her finals. It's about 11 a.m. I'm going to be heading out soon. We're also excited. The family's there already. So we got a 4-hour trip, but really excited. Hi, honey. Ready? How'd you do today? Yay! Good job! Don't forget to pack the slip. Hey guys, so we just finished setting everything up. It's about almost 7:30. We got here at 4:30, so it literally took 3 hours to get all of this set up, but it's done. Here's our little picnic tables. Oh my gosh. Here's tent number 1. This is where Mom's gonna sleep. So
already set up her bed sheets. Here's the car. Hubby set up this whole car tent thing. It's really cool. He even put an inflatable mattress. I mean, look how cool is that? And then there's the whole trunk. There's an air mattress in there. So this is tent number 2. And then tent number 3 is our tent. Unfortunately, I did bring the wrong bed sheet, so we're just gonna have to use our sleeping bags. It's a cool little setup. We have 4 other campsites. So we have 4 other campsites. 1 and 2 is over there. We have a campsite over there. And this is ours. So, top of that, we still have to unload the top roof rack. That's where all the bikes and all the launchers are. But yeah, pretty much done. Only took 3 hours. There's a public restroom over there. I believe there's showers. You can see the lake from here. So tomorrow we're gonna bring out the boat and the kayaks. So it's pretty chilly right now. I mean, we came from the desert, we came from Vegas. It was 100 degrees, and right now it feels like it's 75. Fortunately, Penelope has not been feeling well. So she's in a mood. Yeah, that's where the concrete is. That's so cool. I can't believe we have a DVD player and a TV in the tent. But I was telling Joe earlier, I'm like, people are not going to know what DVDs are anymore.
That's what I know.
They're like, what's a DVD? It's nighttime, and this is our setup for the lights. So cute. They're like, what's a Blu-ray?
You gotta choose a different one.
The bikes. It's the end of the night. It's like, what time is it? 1?
You have it full.
Oh my gosh.
Time does not exist.
1:28. Everyone's gone to sleep. Everyone's in bed. So excited for tomorrow to bring out the water toys. Hopefully we can actually use it. So until then, good night everyone. This one's still not feeling well. So the only thing about camping is that you have to worry about these bugs that be coming in. Look how cool this setup is. Oh, they did a good job cleaning up too. Our little tent. Oh, we got the solar panels charging up and stuff. The bugs, oh my gosh. This is so messy. Next to the lake, kayaks going, got some food. so much work to be out here.
Yeah.
You okay?
Playing kayaks. I don't plan on moving from this spot for the next like 2 hours. Here, I brought one here.
Where was the mother? She's over there. I'll have to chase her. But when did you go there? She passed by us.
Nice elote.
How much was it? $2.
2? That's not bad.
Okay, I gotta go get her.
I think the pie's gonna do the work. I did a lot, see? See how we're not going anywhere? This is half a horsepower right now. Okay, right with me. There you go, good. Jacob's smart, see, figured it out. Figured it out. There you go, Jacob. Yup. Figured it out. Now you know how to maneuver it. Look at.
Why?
Yeah, see, you guys are doing it.
Good job. We're not too far, boys. We're not too far. Almost there. There's Gabby all the way over there.
Oh, Gabby's coming. Hurry up, guys.
Yes!
Come on.
Striker, did you like that boat ride? Did you like the kayak? This is the life, I must say. It's just so beautiful being on the water. Yaki!
Go get your mom, so it's time to eat.